Welcome to the best 3 robot vacuum cleaners of 2024. Today, I'll introduce you to the Roborock S7 Max V Ultra, Ecovacs D-Bot X2 Omni, and iRobot Roomba J7 Plus models in detail. These 3 robot vacuums are ready to impress you with their technological features and performance. Now let's dive into getting to know these fantastic robot vacuums and discover which one is the best fit for you. Shark IQ Robot XL. Unlike many other self-emptying robot vacuums, this one has 2 dustbins, one inside the robot itself and the other stacked in a cleaning station. When the robot returns to the station after cleaning, it makes a sound as the contents of its bin are transferred, and you can check the fill level through a transparent window on the left side of the station. When it's full, simply press the release button on top to remove the bin and empty its contents into a trash can. The robot's design is practical and sleek, measuring 12.9 x 12.6 x 3.5 inches, LXWEXTH, and weighing 5.87 pounds. The height of the cleaning station is about 15 inches. While it may not be ideal for those who prioritize appearance, functionality is key, and this robot vacuum excels in that aspect. The robot does not come with a remote control, but you can control it using the cleaning and docking buttons on top, the Shark Clean app, available for Android and iOS, or voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The IQ navigation module between the cleaning and docking buttons allows the robot to map your home and assess its location. Inside the robot, a high-efficiency filter captures airborne dust, dander, and allergens during cleaning. At the bottom, the IQ Robot XL features 2 side brushes and a self-cleaning brush roll that continuously filters pet and human hair into the dustbin, preventing hair from getting wrapped around the brush roll, as seen in many other robot vacuums. The company attributes this to the brush roll's fins and bristles that actively remove hair. The robot has a recharge and resume feature, recommended for homes larger than 1,500 square feet. When enabled, it returns to the station to recharge when the battery is low, then resumes cleaning where it left off. To enable, disable, recharge, and resume, hold the clean button for 15 seconds. It also offers an evacuate and resume feature designed for homes with pets. When enabled, the robot returns to the station to empty the dustbin after 30 minutes, to prevent clogging with pet hair, then resumes cleaning. To enable, disable, evacuate, and resume, hold the dock button for 15 seconds. To start using the IQ Robot XL, remove the protective films from the robot and station, attach the side brushes, and turn on the switch on the side of the robot. Finally, find a suitable spot for the cleaning station. Shark recommends placing it at least 3 feet away on either side and 5 feet across. For best results, place it on a bare floor or use the included mat if placing it on carpet. Let's get to know the Roomba Combo J7 Plus model. This amazing robot vacuum comes in standard dimensions, like many 2-in-1 models. 13.3 inches in diameter, 3.4 inches tall, and weighs 7.35 pounds. This is a standard size for similar robots. It's slightly more compact than the Roborock S7 Max V Ultra, 13.8 x 3.8 inches, and the D-Bot X1 Omni, 14.3 x 4.1 inches models. The robot has a clean button on top, a camera on the front edge for obstacle detection, and a wall follow sensor on the side. On the bottom, it has 2 multi-surface rubber brush rolls and 1 edge-sweeping brush. Additionally, it's equipped with a suite of sensors for navigation and environment recognition. Among these sensors are 6 cliff sensors to prevent the robot from falling downstairs, and acoustic sensors to differentiate hard floors from carpets. I tested this robot in my 1,000 square foot home, and setting it up and connecting it to the iRobot Home app was quite easy. Inside the box, there's a short version of the quick start guide with setup instructions. To set it up, place the charging station near an outlet in an area with good Wi-Fi coverage. Then, place the robot on the charger, ensuring that its metal contacts align properly. After a minute, the robot will make a sound to indicate that it's awake. Next, download the iRobot Home app, available for Android and iOS, and create an account or log in to your existing account. The app will quickly locate and pair with your robot via Bluetooth. The app also suggests creating a smart map, which allows the robot to create an internal map of your home before starting its cleaning. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus offers an impressive battery life of up to 180 minutes per charge. This is longer than many other robot vacuums. In vacuum mode only, it can clean for 2.5 hours over a 1,000 square foot area. Overall, the Roomba Combo J7 Plus delivers excellent cleaning performance and didn't get stuck during my tests. Don't expect it to be silent, but its performance justifies this noise level. It's a great option for daily use. If you're interested in robot vacuums, the Roomba Combo J7 Plus is definitely worth considering. We will review the Ecovacs X2 robotic vacuum cleaner. This model stands out from other robotic cleaners with its square-shaped front design. With front bumpers that square off at 90-degree angles and rounded back corners, it has a sleek D-shaped appearance. The dimensions of the X2 are quite remarkable. The robot itself is not too large, measuring 3.74 inches in height and 12.6 inches in diameter. However, the charging station is quite large, measuring 17.44 x 1551 x 2075 inches. This gives it an impressive look. The X2 utilizes a camera and sensor package to navigate your home and avoid obstacles. At its core, it features a TrueDetect 3D sensor for mapping, an artificial intelligence and visual interpretation (AIV), camera for obstacle avoidance and home monitoring, and a LiDAR sensor with a 210-degree field of view that can detect objects more than 32 feet away. On the bottom, it has a 7.87-inch rubber brush roll, along with 2 removable plates and a side brush for better cleaning performance than the X1 model. The X2 boasts 8,000 PA of suction power, making it one of the most powerful robot vacuums, delivering effective cleaning in a single pass. The X2 also impresses with its mopping feature, automatically adjusting cleaning modes based on carpet detection. This adds convenience for users. In terms of battery life, the X2 performs well with a 105-minute runtime in auto mode, enough to clean a 1,500 square foot apartment 1.5 times on a single charge. When paired with the app, the X2's features shine even more, offering functionalities like map creation, targeted cleaning, AI-supported settings, and cleaning options, enhancing user experience and customization. In conclusion, the Ecovacs X2 is a valuable asset for home cleaning, thanks to its strong performance, smart features, and user-friendly design. If you're looking for an effective robot vacuum, the X2 model is definitely worth considering. I hope this review has been helpful to you.